Hello everyone, I hope you all are enjoying your Sunday. So we will add one new thing in our Sunday and we will learn and we will have our practice. Last session we learned about make do. Make do. So today we are going to use make do with one more stuff. So what if? But firstly, before we use and before we learn, firstly we will clear the context and the meaning of so what if. So what if means even after making mistakes, if we don't regret of making mistake, and even if we don't have something or we have something but we never feel regret, then being confident we can use so what if. For example, I don't have time, so I would say so what if I don't have time. I don't have car, I would say so what if I don't have car. So if I couldn't attend any party, so what if I couldn't attend your meeting or party. So what if I added extra salt in food. So this way it means and it shows like I'm not realizing my mistake and I'm confident. I'm really not regretting of my action. So let's clear with few more examples. Means you don't regret of what you did. So what if? तो क्या हो गया? So what if I don't know English? So what if I don't know English? So what if I don't have a car? So what if I don't have a car? So what if I don't have my family support? So what if I don't have a family support? So what if I can't earn much money? So what if I can't make so much money? So what if you are not with me? So what if you are not with me? So what if we are late today? So what if we are late today? So what if I don't have a car? I will make do with a bike. I added here make do. I hope you can guess in what context we will use it. So what if I don't have a car? I will make do with a bike. So what if I don't know how to cook? I will make do with Zomato. That is Zomato, not Zomato. Okay. So what if I added extra salt in food? You can make do with it by adding water in that. I added extra salt and still I'm not really regretting of doing this. So I'm saying, so what if I added extra salt in food? You can make do with it by adding extra water. So what if I couldn't send you money? You can make do with how much you have. So what if I couldn't send you money? You can make do or you make do with how much you have. Means current time what you have or how much you have, you can make do with that money. I was not able to send you, that's why I couldn't send you. Okay. So what if I couldn't get you a new dress for this party? You can make do with what you have. With what you have you noticed we every single time we are using make do with. So make do with, add. Okay. So what if I couldn't get you a new dress for this party? You can make do with what you have. So I added here so what if and make do together. Can you do this? Please try. Any example, give any relevant example. Okay, this is for your task. तो क्या हुआ अगर हमने उनसे कुछ पैसे उधार ले लिए? तो क्या हुआ अगर हमने उनसे कुछ पैसे उधार ले लिए? चुका देंगे 1-2 महीने में. And if you have any relevant sentence, so please try to translate. Next one task. तो क्या हो गया कि हमें देर हो गई पार्टी को. हमें देर हो गई, पार्टी तो अभी शुरू हुई है. तो क्या हुआ हमें देर हो गई, पार्टी तो अभी शुरू हुई है. We usually and normally we use and speak this kind of sentences. Please try to translate. The person who cannot understand Hindi, please try and directly in English. Okay, I'll see you next. Enjoy your Sunday. Happy Sunday. Thank you. Bye. Let's link up later with new stuff.